Then you will probably get prosecuted.
I'll just deny it. I'll just deny it. I'll just deny it.
Scrolling through WhatsApp images. What's the number plate? LG69SZW. Whole bunch of. I just pulled over because my battery ran out. I'm still next to the Mini, the driver of whom I just filmed on his phone, and he's back on it again. I can see the phone in his left hand. Lima Golf 69 Sierra Zulu Whiskey. Have another look to see if he's still holding it. No, it's on a map, not WhatsApp at least, anyway. Quite an elderly IC1 male. 70s maybe a bit older? I'm not sure. We talk to him nicely. Good afternoon, sir.
Sorry?
Good afternoon to you, sir.
I'm sorry?
I said good afternoon to you. You know you're not allowed to be holding a mobile phone.
Sir, are you a policeman?
I'm not, but the effect is going to be just about as bad for you. I saw you going through WhatsApp pictures a little bit back there, so I will be reporting it to the police, and you will probably get prosecuted.
Well, I'll just deny it, okay?
What, have you seen what's on my head here, sir?
Why can't you just leave things to, just...
You need to do better, sir.
Why don't you mind your own business?
Your driving on the phone is unfortunately everybody's business. Anyway, you have a good day, but don't do it anymore. I'll just deny it. Nice honesty from you there. Statements like that are really good in terms of convincing the magistrates of your bona fides. Leave him alone now.